What's up guys, Jake here with Bill. We got Chris here. He's making a guest appearance and we are headed out to Sheepy race in Temecula, and we're going to be going to their car meet they're having out there. So we're taking the McLaren, got the Zaddy license plate for you guys on there this time. So it's going to be, what, the first car meet with the Zaddy plate, right?
That.
Yep. So Chris and Tyler are mobbing in this.
The Danger Ranger.
I got the two-wheel drive Ranger over here. When it was raining, slipping more than the McLaren was. The McLaren has better traction than this. So yeah, we're headed out there and we're gonna get a cool time lapse of it going that way.
What do you think, Big Brown?
It's cool. It's nice.
That's all you have to say?
Cool ride. It's fast. I haven't really been able to get on it with the rain and the weather, but hopefully
Come a long way from the Subi days, huh?
Oh yeah, man. Definitely.
What's up guys, we just pulled up to Sheepy race. Tyler's just a little bit behind me, but he's gonna be coming around the corner any second. Not a lot of people here yet, but we're pretty early. He's parking inside, so should be sick.
Tight fit. What's your name, bro?
Santiago.
Santiago Tyler.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Jake.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, dude? Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
The question I have is, all those cars were already there. Am I the only dipshit that paid to park the car inside there?
What's up? Yo. How you guys? What time did you guys get down here? What's up? What time did you guys get down here? 11. 11? You guys have been here for a while.
All right, I'll tag you in this one.
Oh, you bastard.
Did you notice I didn't tag you in the last one that we just posted?
I
because it was the South OC Cars and Coffee.
Oh.
So no, I was like, I'm not tagging Nick because you didn't tag me.
I did. Fuck you guys. I deleted the post like 3 different times. You step the game up, getting from that Silverado, getting to one of those.
Man, I wish, dude.
I was not in the window, but you guys were.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that was the dirt.
How'd you manage that? I dropped my van.
Yeah, I just walked in there.
Did you find out if they need fire extinguishers or?
They do.
They do?
Badly. Yeah.
Oh.
Especially working on this stuff.
Yeah.
Sheepy race.
It's official.
You could have put them on your front window too.
No, that's good.
No, I thought about it, but I think you had a Ferrari here on the video once, and you were like, "Yeah, I hate these things."
I've owned them, I've worked on them, they're cool, but that is, I always say it's the modern small blocks in that car.
Okay.
Very reliable, you take a beating, you know, I've made up to 1,800 horsepower on a stock motor, those are all-wheel drive, Ferrari's roll-wheel drive, so they're more friendly to modify for big power to use it. You put 1,200 horsepower to go rear wheel, you're gonna have traction. Now look.
You just gotta put it in.